Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here scroll and find the option battery. Then let's tap on battery percentage, and here we've got three options, so do not show it at all. You can show it inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon, so just tap on the option which you like the most. If you will choose the next to the battery icon, it will be much bigger, and it is shown on the left. And if you will choose inside the battery icon, it is much smaller, but it is inside, so it doesn't really take a lot of space. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.